Hey, this is Michael at Heyward Motor Company in Athens, Georgia. Thank you for your interest in our 2017 Cadillac CTS Premium Luxury model. I'm one of the senior sales consultants here, and we'll be happy to show you the vehicle if you're able to come out and take a quick look at it. I also wanted to give you a little bit better shot of the vehicle. It was just recently traded in. Premium luxury package, dark gray, metallic with black interior. Excellent shape. It's got the factory sunroof. It's got the heads-up display. It's got the paddle shifters, navigation, heated and cooling front seats, power rear shade is standard. Just a really sharp sedan. Has the surround vision camera. This vehicle is eligible for Cadillac certification. It is still under the 4-year 50 factory warranty. Please call me for more information, 706-621-8518. I'd love to set up an appointment with you. Plenty of financing is available, possibly with no money down. Give us a call, 706-621-8518. The office number that you can reach me or our internet team is 706-549-8580. Hope to hear from you soon.